College students are always looking for ways to make money, but it can be hard to find legitimate opportunities. You probably think you have to take on a bunch of extra jobs or sell your plasma to make some extra cash. But there are actually a lot of ways for college students to make money that doesn't involve any of that. I will show you how to make money as a college student in this video. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income-generating opportunities right in front of you. I know that times can be tricky when you're trying to make money and manage your studies at the same time. In this video, I'm going to show you some really easy ways that you can start making some extra cash without having to sell your plasma. So whether you're looking for a summer job or just want to make some extra spending money, stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. Number 1, rideshare driver. College students are always looking for ways to make money, and this is a great way to do it. You can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. Plus, you get to meet new people and see new places. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, consider becoming a rideshare driver. It's a great way to earn money and have some fun at the same time. Number 2, delivery driver. One option that has become increasingly popular in recent years is working as a delivery driver. With the rise of companies like Uber and DoorDash, it's easier than ever to get started. And for college students who are already busy with classes and extracurricular activities, the flexibility of this type of work is hard to beat. Number 3, virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is a great way to make money as a college student. You can work from anywhere, and you can set your own hours. Plus, many potential clients out there need help with things like scheduling, social media, and administrative tasks. To be a successful virtual assistant, you need to be organized, efficient, and have good time management skills. You also need to be able to communicate effectively with clients. If you have these skills, then being a virtual assistant is a great way to make money as a college student. If you want to help a future business owner just like you find this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Number 4, babysitting. Babysitting is a great way to make money as a college student. It is flexible, so you can work around your class schedule, and it pays relatively well. You can also find babysitting jobs online or through word of mouth. If you want to make the most money possible as a babysitter, consider becoming a certified babysitter. This will show potential clients that you are qualified and knowledgeable in childcare. Additionally, it will give you peace of mind knowing that you are prepared for any situation that may happen. Number 5, pet sitting or house sitting. If you're looking for ways to make some extra money, pet and house sitting is a great option. It's usually pretty easy to find clients, and the work is flexible enough that you can easily fit it into your schedule. Plus, clients may be more likely to refer you to their friends if you do a good job. House sitting can also be a great way to build your resume. It shows that you're responsible and capable of taking care of someone else's property and could be the way to you owning a real estate portfolio. Number 6, freelance write. If you're a good writer, there are many opportunities to make money as a college student. You can start by writing articles for your school newspaper or website. You can also submit articles to online publications or blogs. And if you're really ambitious, you can even start your own blog and generate income through advertising or affiliate marketing. Jasper is a powerful writing assistant that can help you improve your writing skills. It can suggest corrections for grammar and spelling mistakes, help you come up with ideas for your essays and papers, and more. Using Jasper.ai can help you take your writing to the next level and make sure that your work is polished and error-free. We recommend using the boss mode. You can write your first 10,000 words free by using the link in the description below. Number 7, start a YouTube channel. If you're creative and outgoing, starting a YouTube channel could be a great way to make money as a college student. You can monetize your channel through advertising or by partnering with sponsors. And if your channel becomes popular, you could even make money through merchandise sales or speaking engagements. To be successful on YouTube, you need to produce high-quality content that people will actually want to watch. You also need to be active on social media and promote your channel to get more views. If you can do all of this, then starting a YouTube channel could be a great way to make money as a college student. Check out Matt Parr's course on Tube Mastery and Monetization to get a deep dive into launching a successful YouTube channel. I mean, you have at least 4 years of college to achieve success. Number 8, sell your study materials. You can earn money by selling your class notes and other study materials to help other students. Your class notes can help other students by providing them with a resource to study from. If your class notes are clear and concise, then other students will be more likely to use them as a resource. In addition, if you have other study materials such as practice tests or flashcards, you can also earn money by selling these online to other students. By helping other students succeed in their studies, you can earn money while positively impacting their educational journey. Number 9, capitalize on your talent. Fiverr and Upwork are websites that allow college students to market their skills and get paid for them. Programming, graphic design, and business copywriting are some of the skills that college students can offer on these websites. College students can use these websites to make some extra money or to start building a freelance business. These websites are an excellent way for college students to get started in the freelancing world. And suppose you don't have any skills. In that case, tons of software apps like Canva, vidIQ, and Pictory can help you create professional designs, videos, and photos without any experience. Number 10, manage a social media account. If you're good at social media, then you can make money by managing someone's social media account. This is a great way to make money as a college student because it doesn't require much time or effort. And if you're successful, you could even turn this into a full-time business. To be a successful social media manager, you need to be good at creating content, engaging with users, and growing an audience. You also need to be familiar with the different social media platforms and how to use them effectively. If you can do all of this, then managing a social media account could be a great way to make money as a college student. But I have no doubt many of you still have questions, so let's answer a few. First, what skills do I need to start a YouTube channel? To start a successful YouTube channel, you need to be creative and outgoing. You also need to be able to produce high-quality content that people will want to watch. And you need to be active on social media and promote your channel to get more views. The best place to learn everything you need about YouTube is from Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course. Second, how can I make money by selling my study materials? Websites like StudySoup allow college students to sell their class notes and other study materials. This is a great way to make money as a college student because it doesn't require much time or effort. And if your materials are helpful, you could earn a lot of cash from sales. Third, what are Fiverr and Upwork? Fiverr and Upwork are websites that allow college students to market their skills and get paid for them. These websites are an excellent way for college students to get started in the freelancing world. This is one of the biggest business models in today's economy. Fourth, how much money can I make by managing a social media account? The amount of money you can make from managing a social media account depends on what is involved in your services, how many accounts you manage, the size of the accounts, and the scope of your services. Generally speaking, you can charge $50 to $100 per hour for your services. At the end of the day, you need to find a happy balance between what clients are willing to pay and what you are willing to work for.